you already that my intention of accepting this challenge is not to make a fight, but my advocacy is peace. That is why, even if they're doing things like that, they are maligning, they are trying to destroy my name, and even destroy the image of NORDECO. It does, I mean, I don't give a damn. Mine right now is I am focused in giving the right and the good services to our member consumer owners.
If I understand it right, sir,
Yes.
the NECO to NORDECO was given a legislative franchise. Now, ongoing nga pagpapirma sa Davao del Norte na pahawao na si NORDECO kay inefficient daw si NORDECO. How do you react to all this?
Well, yes, they started that last January. They were able to raise and to have that signature campaign a matter of 1 month. They have been working with that. Nakagtigom sila of 11,300 signatures. Sa amoa pong side, tungod kay kinahanglan po namo nga masabtan sa amoang member consumer owners, our mga organizers went to the field and also asking for a signature to the legit member consumer owners, those who has names, who has account with us, those who are the legit member consumer owners. And just a matter of 3 weeks, we're able to gather 87. Right now it's already 80,000, but right now it's already 90,000 signatures. Meaning to say, we are ready. If they will push that petition, I don't know if asa nila na dalon nga petition, because that is not the process. The process is they have to go with us. I mean, adi na lang po kung story on the process.
Ani, sir. If you were issued, hindi tagaan ng legislative franchise sa Congress, mas legally right nga mag-referendum yung isa pa sa Congress, tama ba? Kana dapat ang proseso.
Well, yes, that's the process. Na ipasa lang sa Congress if we are no longer interested.
Terminating the contract of the
If
NECO.
we are no longer interested. But
Will you contest if they say, dili na may interesado ninyo, will you contest na dili, interesado man.
no, they cannot speak. In behalf of our franchise. The governor cannot speak even, no? Nga iyahang inon nga di na sila gusto. It's only in his mind.
Are you talking with ako?
Yes, of course, because he is now the one bringing these issues. Well, frankly speaking, the governor is my friend. The governor is a very close friend of mine. Pero pag-abot kasi sa iskutanan dito, siyempre, I have to defend, no? I have to defend NORDECO also. Right now, he's bringing this to the public. He's bringing this to the barangays. Maski pa it's a violation of IATF because he keeps on, patapok-tapok sa mga tao dito sa Samal. Patapok niya ang mga barangay officials dito and telling the barangay officials, the only agenda that he brought to the barangay is no to NORDECO. I mean, if I were the governor then, am I still working for the people? Am I still working in behalf of the people? Or I am now the mouthpiece of that private sector? I mean, I would like to challenge the private. If you are really helping also the governor, because I want to protect the governor. My governor, Governor Edwin is my governor. Because my franchise still belongs to Davao Norte. And I want to protect him. If you are really true, the private sector, the Aboitiz company, the Davao Light, if you are really true, come out into an open. I mean, you have to give us your official statement that you are interested in NORDECO. Give us a letter. Send that letter to us, and so that we will answer you, so that we could have transactions. Because you are a businessman, I know, but in our capacity, we don't do business because we are only a distribution utility, non-stock. You as a private sector, you are a businessman. That is why if you really wanted na NECO or NORDECO na mahimong inyuha, give us that official statement. Huwag niyong gamitin si Governor kasi kawawa si Governor. Nagtatago kayo sa saya ni Governor, di ba? So come out into an open and then let's talk. Kasi pwede naman natin pag-usapan. Hindi man pwede lulukuhin natin yung mga tao. You keep on telling that the people are complaining. Kinsa o pila mga katao, ang franchise area not only belongs to Davao del Norte, it also belongs to Davao de Oro. The people of Davao de Oro are right now, nasisihan sila sa mga servisyo namin.
Are they contented?
Yes, of course. Even the congressman.
You're talking here of like telling them, negosyante man ka storya ta.
Yes.
Ibiga ang imong baraha.
That's it.
Sir, magdinaot ko sorry. pag franchise ang istoryahan, sir, history will tell us, naging kwarta, were you offered?
Well, of course, yes. I was being offered. Pero siyempre, as what I said, that if they are really that interested, then talagang ilalabas nila yung tamang proseso. Huwag itong ganito na pinagsisira-sira nyo ang mga tao sa Davao del Norte, pinagpapasa-pasa nyo maling mga impormasyon, sinasabi nyo pa na huwag na magbayad ang mga tao or yung lahat ng utang ng mga tao isasagutin nyo na, then come up into an open, tapos pagkatapos sabihin nyo officially, kasi kung totoo yan, nababayaran nyo na ang mga utang ng mga tao doon sa Davao del Norte, who am I to say no? Na kayo yung magkakatulong, di ba? We are open to that. Iagi lang natong tamang proseso.
Tapos sila ginaingon, sir. Nga kana daw po ng cooperative, di paluyuhan daw. Sa imong gobernador, no?
That is not true.
Governor Uy.
Yes.
And that is been the melting pot. Murabag, diha uhawon ang gatas. Gatas
Una sa tanan.
Are you saying? Is it true?
No, that is a big no. Even a single point to influence us, no, it's not. It's now the cooperative running it's now the mind of the cooperative running the business. No? There was never, and it never happened that the governor influenced us and the governor considering that cooperative or looking that cooperative as his milking cow. No, it's not. Even a single centavo, especially me myself, wag gani ko kagunit. Even a single centavo, because in every collection that we have, gi-process nato dito sa atong accounting, gitanaw nato as sa padulong, and right then and there, gi-distribute siya. Ang trabaho kasi sa distribution utility, especially sa mo ang non-stock, 71% of our collection goes to the power suppliers, 15% of the collection goes to our universal charges. That includes the what do we call this? That includes the taxation, that includes the mga bayrono nato sa ato ang sa NEA, sa ARC, sa DOE, and 14% only ang mabilin sa MOA. Ang 14% mo na atong gipang sweldo, and right now we have 702 employees all over, including Davao de Oro and Davao del Norte, Island Garden City of Samal. Mo na atong ginasweldohan, o niya diha po nato gikuha ang ato ang mga maintenance. Sa 14%, mura na yung maadtos to walay maadto lain, anak.
Sir, gina-accuse mo na kay tungod sa inyong diwalwal na kaagi no, sa mga uwi, wa pa may politiko sa una. Isa ko ka sa mga tuta, sa mga uwi. Are you a barking?
I'm not tuta, but I'm a very close friend of the OI, especially Papa Go.
But can you be influenced as GM?
Well, as to our job, kasi right now, before I was the consultant of Tyron Uy, the governor. So, sa trabaho lang may pwede mag-istorya. Ang trabaho lang may istoryahan. But as to the influence or to influence us, there is atong operation sa NORDECO, never that it happened because you know, si Papa Go, si Tyron Uy, si Parimaning, si Congressman Waikurat, gusto yun nila nga kanang mabalik si NORDECO sa iyahang where he came from.
Yung dili siya gatasan.
Dili siya gatasan. Never that it happened. Wala may kwarta diha. So may kwartahon diha.
Wala daw mo kabayad sa inyong mga utang.
Why don't they ang ato ang record is pwede man nila tanawon.
Do you display no katong
Yes.
yung statement of expenditures?
Yes.
Masig ka na wala nakita.
Yeah,
Or they just don't bother to look at it.
well, it's only during assembly that we can show it, no, publicly. But if they wanted to show, they're asking for it, then we'll give it to them.
Literally, how much is your salary?
Me? Right now, I'm receiving right now, mag-gross ko of 100 right now as the general manager. And
Minus the taxes.
minus pa ang taxes, siguro nanalang ko sa mga 70.
Nganong imo mang pakamat dyan ang posisyon?
Wala po nagpakamatay sa posisyon actually.
Kaya ingon magud sila, sir, ha? This is from one. Kadaghanan diha, basta manghilabot na sa finances fund yun.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, wait.
Well, wa ko hilabtan sa finances. Even, as what I said, even a single centavo, wag yung kuha niya.
Inyo daw tuta.
Ha?
Siniya Administrator Edgardo Masumbo.
That is not true. Sinea administrator is our administrator, and he's not only the administrator of NORDECO, he's the administrator of 121 cooperatives all over the Philippines.
Nag-offer daw mo sa mga opisyalis sa Davao del Norte.
Ngayon sa,
Wala.
wala mi nahitabo, wala yun na nahitabo ka nag-offer ta.
Sharing daw.
Wala yun na nahitabo ang nag-offer siguro, ang ilahi siguro, dili kami. We cannot do that. We cannot do that. As a cooperative, we really cannot do that.
You need to have the consensus of the General Assembly in order for you to engage to anything legal.
Yes, not all those legal actions that we have to take na ano pa nato sa assembly.
But there are executive prerogatives.
Yes.
Nangutang daw mo 3 billion. Alam mo, 1 billion na utang para sa inyong submarine cable to Samar.
Yes, o kung sa may problema kung mag-utang ni
Ano wala mo nang
1.1.
maibalo sa taga-Davao del Norte?
Well, that is not true because during our October 24 assembly, we presented it to the assembly. And that was attended by more than 25,000 people.
So majority.
Majority, walay nibabag sa pag-present namo that will be opening and separate cable so that we can address the problem of Samal. Then we will lay this down to you, and they said, yes, no problem. And that is recorded.
Ang inyo ng cooperative is a king of the oligarchs, just like the Samal Bridge.
Ginabalik na nila yung istorya. We are for the people.
Are you saying na si
We are for
Governor
the small
Mubahib is just murag na crossfire ani?
Well, he's the mouthpiece of Aboitis.
Oh.
Because he's right now, the Aboitis never gave an official statement that they are interested.
Are you telling us that you, Davao, should say something about this?
Yes,
Because this
officially.
involves you.
Officially, then you have to talk to us. That's why the very help that I could give to the Governor Edwin, because he's a friend of mine, wag masyado siyang makialam dahil bawal yung ginagawa niya. That is written in an RA 10531 na hindi bawal makialam ang mga politiko.
Because you are a cooperative.
We can file a case against him, but I will not do that, no? Because he's a friend of mine. That's why the best help that I could give is talagang dapat si Aboitis lalabas siya at he'll give a special official statement na talagang
May
interesado
narinig
siya.
kami. May binigay doon ng figure sa'yo. Offer na, pumayag ka na kasi.
Ako pumayag?
Hindi, yung offer daw is, name your price.
Yeah, that's
Pumayag
true.
ka na.
That's very true.
Amin ka na, Nordeco.
That's very true. That's very true. But I did not,
And that would come at the expense of your members.
You know what I told them? I cannot decide on that because that is not my part. If you want, you talk to the governor of Davao de Oro, you talk to the national electrification administration, you talk to the national electrification administration. Then kung magkakasundo kayo, ibig sabihin, ibababa yung agreement dito sa akin at I will be the one to implement. And I will tell you after implementing that, I will resign.
Should and when a referendum is done,
Well,
and it will tell Congress,
Another thing-
terminate the DANEGO.
yes,
Are you
another
ready?
thing that I would like to raise, question that I would like to raise. Kasi, we know for the fact that right now it's pandemic.
Yeah.
Bakit kailangang madaliin nila? Okay? Second is, may proseso na dapat silang daanan. Bakit doon sila sa maling proseso? Why keep on using the governor? Why keep on using the public officials, of which that is a violation of the rule? Bakit hindi sila dadaan sa tamang proseso? Na pwede namang pag-usapan. In fact, we are very willing because I'm a peace advocate. Ini-offer namin ang one of the areas namin na sige, pag-usapan natin ito, pero dapat hindi muna tayo darating doon sa bigayan ng franchise because the franchise will expire matagal pa.
If magbe-bend ka at intindihin mo silang makipag-meeting ka, will that give your members, cooperative members, the impression na, si GM, yung kambya, kwarta na eh.
Well, I don't think so because right now, that is why I told them that we can be of help like the social preparation. Kasi pwede namin maipaintindi sa aming mga member consumer owners na ganito na lang siguro ang gagawin natin para hindi na tayo masyadong ganito magkakagulo. So we can give that to our tell that to our member consumer owners. That's right. We can be of big help. Huwag nila kaming, siyempre, we know for the fact that they are that giant. We are only David. They are that Goliath. We know for the fact. Pero hindi kami titigil at hindi kami aatras din kasi nandyan kami.
Up to when will you fight for your cause?
Until the last drop of my blood. Kasi nandyan na tayo no? Hindi ko naman
At babalik ka sa dating Gemini? Are you saying?
Hindi naman. I'll just keep on praying. My very arm right now is God right now. I keep on praying.
You are a transformed person.
Yes, so I keep on praying to them. Every day, I keep on praying. No? Na talagang magkakaroon sila ng good heart, magkakaroon sila ng panibagong pag-iisip, especially the government. I keep on praying for them. Given the congressman, kasi mahirap itong mga ginagawa nila. Alam nila na hindi dapat ito ang direksyon nila. Alam nila yan.
Sir, you have time now. You talk to your consumers in Davao del Norte who are now maybe confused, who are now maybe yung sa man nagdanekod, nagtuhumi nga okay na si Nordeco. Nya karon nagkagubot ako ni. So it's your time. Tell them what you want to say.
To all of our member consumer owners, kabalo ko nga kanang daghan man sa inyo ang siyempre madalasan sa istorya sa atong mga opisyal. Pero ato siyang tan-awon kung kanang nabasyay kanang tinuod na pundasyon ang ilang mga istorya. Tungod kay ang atong gireklamo din na karon brown out, no? And we are already doing our part. In fact, napila na ka millions ang atong gigasto diya sa operation. Magkambyo ta og mga katong rotten nga mga poste, magkambyo ta og mga katong mga linya nga grabe jud kaayo no nga dugay na siya nga mga linya because that was forgotten during the time of the squabble. It's only during our time now nga nagkaroon gyud ta grabe nga cleansing even in the operation, even in the employees nagkaroon ta cleansing and also sa ato ang mga linya nagkaroon ta cleansing. So, ang amo lang yung ipangayo sa inyo at tungod kay kining brownout nga kaning problema, it's not only happening in Nordeco, this is happening all over the world. This is happening even in the other countries. This is happening especially in our country, in the Philippines. You go to Manila right now, they have already that rotational brownouts. You go to the other places, they have also their brownouts. Ang atuag karon is ang pagsabot because we know for the fact that we are already doing our portion also. You can see our FB account every day na atay gipanglimpyuhan ng mga linya, na atay gipangilisdan ng mga wires, na atay gipang cut din ha, gipangilisdan ng poste, ilisdan na itong mga transformers and others. A lot of it. Every day I am monitoring my people every day. So they keep on sending me all those things that we have accomplished every day. Meaning to say, hindi po totoo yung wala tayong nagawa. Hindi po totoo yung wala tayong ginagawa. We have done our part and our intention is really to give you the best and good services, especially right now that we are recovering, especially right now na ato nang na-address ang iban pang problema. And don't you know that for the past few years, gikan ta sa category C, ang ato ang evaluation karon sa 2020 performance nato, maibalik na ta sa AA category. Usa na lang pila 3 points na lang mabalik ta sa maximum category of AAA. That is why we are praying and I'm also asking to all of our member consumers to pray for us. The only arm, no, ang pinaka-armas nga pwede ra gyud nato gamiton karon kani ra gyud ang atong pag-ampo. So mga kaigsuonan ko nga mga member consumer owners and also our partners, our stakeholders, no, mga political leaders nato, especially ang Kuya Gob Edwin Ubahib, akong Kuya Gob Tyron Uy, ang ako yung pag-ampo nga masabtan ninyo ang ato ang dagan karon na kung naa may reklamo sa brownout kanang dili gyud siya dako kay nga problema because our problem is not the power supply. Atong ginapaningkumutan, give me another 2 to 3 years. Makita ninyo kung unsa kalimpyo si Nordeco. Makita ninyo kung unsa kanindot si Nordeco. Pero sa ato ang kanang nahitabo karon, kung tinuod yun nga interesado sila, ang amo lang hangyo po kay Kuya Gob, kanang dili na siguro Kuya Gob nga Edwin nga ikaw pa ang magiging mouthpiece sa ato ang private sa sektor. Kay mas daghan mong kagialagaran siguro diya sa Davao del Norte, dili man lang si private sector. Ako lang nga ihatag sa ilaha if they really wanted mohimo silang official statement that they are interested. Unya kanang imuhang gipang istorya sa mga barangays nga sila nay mobayad sa atong arrears, sila nay mobayad sa unsa pa og mabarato tanan. ina sila nga sila ang muhatag sa official statement ana para dili pod magsakit ang amho ang mga buot o dili pod lisod para sa mo ang pagsabot, because kung makita na mo that they are really true in telling that to the people and to the public, then nganong kinsa man mi nga mubabag, kinsa man mi nga moingon og no nga makita na mo nga mas makatabang sila sa katawhan. Ang atoa para sa malantag ginatan-aw, public servant man pud ko, public servant man tatanan, kung unsa tong maayo nga pwede nato mahatag sa atoang katawan, then we will give it to them. So katapusan, daghang kay salamat sa atong mga member consumer owners, sa stakeholders, ug sa atong mga political leaders. God bless us all. Mabuhay po kayo. Maayong hapon.